I want to say, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Juice. Now, y'all already know who it is, boy. I say this shit every goddamn time. Hey, I'm out here, and I wish I would have it ain't no problem. Hey, y'all, I'm stupid as hell. Alright, this is gonna be a very short video. I just wanted to not give a shout out. I don't want to give thanks because I pay good money, but I just want to bring this up to you guys and bring this to your attention because this right here elevated me. I've been saying that this whole time I've been riding. I say it again, this right here elevated me. What the fuck am I talking about? Let me say it again for you motherfucking slow people out there. This right here elevated me. You see this shit? Do you see that shit? How do you learn on some shit that is unpredictable when it can snap at any moment? Alright, I ordered this piece, right? $115, $120 and something like that off Amazon, right? That bitch came so fast. I was mad when I got to the house because you know how people like to steal packages nowadays. Like, it said delivered. I'm on like my what do you call it? Like, I was on a break, but I ain't clock out. Damn, I gotta edit that shit out. Anyways, so it said delivered, right? And when it said delivered, I was like, shit, front porch, doorstep, motherfucker, USPS. And so I get back to the house and it's inside. My woman took care of it, brought it inside. But like I said, the shipping was so fast, I wasn't even ready for it. And putting it on, let me show you. Let me show you motherfuckers real quick. Actually, Juice Gang. That's what we're gonna call it. Thanks to a subscriber. I appreciate it. I'm gonna give you a shout out in this video right now. We officially starting the Juice Gang. I'm accepting all applications. Alright, see. I told you I got a Matco flashlight. Who thought I was bored? Yeah, look at that. Alright, excuse all the mess. I got a whole bunch of shit that I ordered for this bike that y'all gonna be like, man, Juice, you the man. You the motherfucking man. Check it out. So this is where the actual seat, rear seat, like clips into and locks in place. You take these two screws out and you dangle this for the time being, and you put the two screws from like this little silver bracket that goes in there, and you bolt that down, and this bitch ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. Unlike this, I know. I just told you motherfuckers, I got something for y'all. Alright, and so you put these two bolts in there. I'm not gonna lie, I had to use a screwdriver to actually bend it forward. Then you actually, in the instructions, I think they meant that you got to step on it in order to kind of bend the bracket in place a little bit. But I'm gonna tell you right now, if you don't have this and you have the same, matter of fact, if you got any stunt bike and you ain't got this, you ain't no stunner. Hang up the motherfucking helmet, bro, because this motherfucker elevated me.
Elevate, nigga.
My back hurt. I was laying on the concrete, but I was like, no, I gotta go out here and I gotta tell everybody about this product. Hey, check it out. I'm not advertising this. They not paying me to say this. You know, every YouTube be saying this. Shut your ass up. You would know if I was advertising and trying to sell this and try to, you know what I'm saying, get paid off of saying that. You would know. Alright, but this right here took my shit to a different level. But anyways, on a side note, look at this tacky ass shit right here. I didn't even know I was riding like that, bro, because of how the kickstand. Anyway, I got new fairings coming, right? And I contacted somebody, and he's gonna go ahead and do me a tank. I'm gonna show you what the fairing. Actually, I probably already did. Oh, now that On Point is actually on point, so I'm gonna get the sub cage from him. And I say that right? Yeah, it's a sub cage, subframe. All right. And once I do that, that bitch is gonna be adjustable, and that's probably gonna elevate me to the motherfucking God level. Y'all already know I try to do circles, and I get it. I get it. I understand that. I got like 22 psi right now, and it's a little difficult. And I'm out here solo dolo, and you know how that go. Like, you can only, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I told you about this I think in the video. When you going solo dolo, all right, you should be spending about an hour, no more than an hour and a half. You need to take your ass home, because once you start getting fatigued, especially when you can't grab that handbrake no more, take your ass home, bro. Because all that's gonna happen next is you're gonna send it. Why send it? You already got your practice in. So go ahead, take your ass home. But it's a little tip for today. And then I'm probably gonna have this powder coated yellow to match that, and the new fairings. New fairing, boy, it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be fire. I'm gonna be basically riding on my own lane of just panties. That's how fire this bike gonna be, bro.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But I just wanted to let you guys know, man, some updates and shit was about to go down. But I'm still gonna be doing that vlog and everything. Give me some time, you know what I'm saying? I'm only one person. I'm out here looking for a cameraman or camera woman, specifically a camera woman, because they take a lot of good selfies, and I could just look at their Instagram and that could be the resume. But yeah, give me some time to work everything out. I told y'all about the dog tags, $1 later on, maybe $2 and shit like that, and we're gonna start that juicer game, and y'all gonna see a lot more activities. Y'all just gotta keep on supporting the local H-Town motor vlogging. All right, Juice Gang, I'm out.
Don't worry, 'cause I'm